What's up guys, it's Demir from Bag Riders, and today we're going to be answering the question, are two compressors better than one? They're super popular in the air ride community and they pack some serious benefits. So let's jump into it. Two compressors increases the fill speed of your air tank. At the same time, it reduces runtime and the sound associated with them. Now imagine being at a gas station with two pump handles filling your tank. Now I don't know about you, but that's what I call luxury. Another benefit is that in the unlikely event that a compressor stops working, you'll have another one as a backup ready to fill your air tank. Last but not least, one of my favorite benefits of dual compressors is the creative freedom. I love playing around with ideas of how my trunk setup will look, especially when I'm going for that perfect symmetrical management layout. How about you? Are you ready to take your build to the next level? Head on over to bagriders.com, your one-stop drop shop for all of your dual compressor needs. Demir out.